How to fix Signal RGB not working. Now in this video, I'm going to provide you additional information or troubleshooting guide for you to be able to bypass this kind of issue if your device is not working on the Signal RGB app. So first is to make sure that you're downloading the correct client, which is going to be Signal RGB. You could actually find the download link via their official website. Next is to make sure that you're running Signal RGB as an administrator. All I have to do before opening up directly is to right click on the RGB client or on the RGB icon, open it up and make sure that you're running it as an administrator, or you can go to properties, go into compatibility and choose this option here that says run this program as an administrator, hit on apply and then hit on OK. Now once you've done that, open up the Signal RGB. Now there is only selected reasons why your device is not working with Signal RGB. It's either it's not compatible or it's not connected properly. You should be able to know if it is properly connected because it will automatically show up into this option here that says other devices. Now go into your settings and then from settings go to conflicts under application and make sure that this is on, which is automatically close conflicting programs. When this is enabled, Signal RGB will attempt to automatically close all conflicting programs while it's running. Now, those are the things that you can do for you to be able to fix your Signal RGB is not working.